Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are going to unbox the RYOBI 40 volt 12 amp hour battery. That is going to be hooking up to this thing here, which is the RYOBI 40 volt emergency power station. So I'm going to put, I already have two 6 amp hour batteries in here, as well as a couple spares. I had the 40 volt lithium 5-hour batteries to take up some spots, but the 12 amp hour batteries are really what it's made for. So it can get some really good juice in it. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. You can get this at Home Depot. You can get this at RYOBI.com, or where I got it, which was at Amazon. Now, it does come with a couple pieces of paper here. This is, let's see, outdoor products that it can be used with. Let's see, as well as the chargers, correlation supplement. Okay. And then this is your operator's manual. Pretty much you put it in, you plug it in, make sure it charges, and it does have lights on the side, all that good stuff, and we'll see that in a minute. Okay. So open up the Ziploc. Now this does have a very nice handle, as you see right here, because this thing is a little beefy. I'm not gonna lie, it's beefy. See how much juice is in it? Oh, only has one little bar on it, which means it was probably sitting around for quite some time. So let's go ahead and put it in the emergency backup generator, get this thing juiced up, power it on, see if it works. And also, because of how much this thing is, I'm probably going to get one of these at the very most once a month. And depending on what goes up on the month, I may have to wait for a couple months or 3 months because this is not cheap, the 12 amp hour batteries. I'm not going to tell you what the cost is because that's going to change, obviously, with different tariffs and things like that coming up. So we're going to, which is why I'm trying to get these as soon as I can. However, with that said, by the time I get 4 of these, it'll probably be wintertime and I'll be able to test it out with the heater. At least that's the plan. So without further ado, let's get this thing started. Slides right in. Just like, oh, it's, I don't know if you can see here, but it does not go past the bumpers, which is good. That's a good sign. And we're going to go ahead and plug this in. As that plugs in, let's see what it does. Oop, and it is charging. Okay. So this does charge. And I would classify that as a success. Well, thank you for coming along with me for the unboxing of the RYOBI 12 amp hour 40 volt battery. I hope this helped. And as always, have a great day.